Hi friend, welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to digital elevation model DEM image download for Earth Explorer. So at first search the Earth Explorer. So open the Earth Explorer. At first log in this profile and next is the search criteria and at first select the dataset. Actually, digital elevation is a various sensor of this data collection. There are two. There is the ASTER global DEM data collection. There is this select this dataset, and next there are search criteria. So select this place. There is the DEM image. So create this polygon of this place and result option and result. There are various of this place DEM image a particular portion and there are upper portion and there are lower portion and I am choose this is DEM image of this particular portion. Download this DEM image. Download. I agree and user license agreement. Download this file. So land process distributed active as the center. This is the term of agree of above the found user license agreement. So complete this download and open this. So in folder there is right click this stgmm folder and extract to file. Open the data of this ArcGIS. Open the data. So this is the folder and open to and yes. So there is the digital. So there are DEM image and check these properties. So there is this source of this image or digital elevation model DEM image. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and latest updates and ArcGIS and remote sensing and GIS related work. So thanks.